Hi students, let us see here example on reading input. So in Python, if you like to read input through the keyboard, I have to use a function called input. What it is? It is a built-in function. Use it to read the values of variables during the execution of a program. And whatever you enter through the keyboard with this input function, always it reads as a string. So to perform the operations on the integer and the float other types, we should convert into the appropriate type. So in the other video, I explained how to convert the one type to another type. So please go through that video. So let's see here. I'm writing here print enter x value, then x equal to input. So just only I'm writing input. So what happens? Whatever the value I enter, that is stored in the x as in the form of the string. So I need to convert it into the integer. So it means I need to perform the typecasting. How do you perform the typecasting here? Int of x. So I'm converting this string to integer that I'm storing inside x variable. In the same way for the y variable also. Okay, so reading here. See here, this is for the read operation and this is for the typecasting and this is to print the display. So how many lines I have here? I have 3 lines of the code here for the to read the information and as well as to convert. So these 3 lines of the code can be written in a single line like this also, like x equal to input of enter x value. So this is my display string, whatever I would like to show on the screen. Next input is my typecasting, and int is for the input for the read operation. So these 3 are at a time. I can write it in a single line. In this way also you can perform simply reading of information. And after reading those 2 values, just I'm printing the result here. Print x plus 1. Okay, let's run the code here. So enter x value I'm giving the 20, enter y value I'm giving the 40. So the result is printing as a 60 here. Okay. For example, if you like to convert in place of the integer to float values, then what do? You write here it as a float. So let's see, just test with the only integer first. I run this code again. So I'm giving the here x value as 2.5. So what is it giving? It's giving an error that invalid literal for int with the base 10 2.5. It's showing an error. So you write it as a float, and here also float. Now run this code. Now enter the value as something 2.5, next 3.4. So it's giving result as a 5.9. So like that, based on my requirement.